So in the today's video I will show you how to write a basic plugin where when you compile any file, when you run Java compiler, it will print a string that the plugin has been called. It isn't doing anything any work, but we will know that how to create a plugin and how to use that plugin in at the compilation time. So starting with that, I will say make the directory plugins, and just going to be a basic plugin, so we'll say basic and plugins. Make directory, I will say plugin source, where the source directory where our plugin Java file is going to be stored. Make directory plugins classes, and I'll go inside the plugins and I will create a module. I will say mkdir basic module, so and switch to okay. I'll create a module file, say module which is going to say name same as the folder. Module is going to basic module, requires jdk.compiler, provides plugin is the interface with I will say com.test. I will just say test dot basic plugin. So requires JDK compiler. We have to mention that we are accessing classes in the JDK compiler. And next line we say that this plugin interface has been implemented by basic plugin and we are opening it to outside world. We need to mention this, otherwise compiler plugin won't be able to find it. I'll make a class test, directory test. I will say basic plugin.java. Package is test, import com.sun source util.plugin, and we are going to need one more sun.source.util.java c task. So these are the imports, and I will say public class basic plugin implements plugin interface. We need to where two things that need to be implemented. First is override public string get name. This is the function that is called by Java compiler to check that what is the name of this plugin. So we have to say basic we need to mention same name while during the compilation process. Otherwise, we won't be able to JavaC won't be able to find this plugin. Then we need to override public void init final JavaC task. JavaC task. Anyway, we are not using it, so that doesn't really matter. String arguments, I guess. So just I'm going to say that system.out.println basic plugin called. So we are writing the function that will get called during compilation of any class. Public class basic plugin implements plugin get name, and so our plugin is ready. Let us implement it. Let us use it. First, we need to compile this plugin itself. Class destination is plugins classes, and I need to create a one more folder in plugins classes called basic, where all the module code will be put by the compiler. I'll say now destination plugin classes, and don't really need it, but it is good to have this practice. And I'll say find plugin source folder everything that ends with java.java name. So if I check plugins classes, we have our plugin is compiled. So I'll now just create a test.java file and say public test this is a simple Java file with public class, just a single line. Now we are going to use it to test our plugin. I will say JavaC class path is not needed. We'll say processor module path is plugin classes, basic.module, and I need to tell that plugin name of the plugin is basic, and class Java file is named test.java. So you can see that our plugin was called, and it is printed this line basic plugin called. So this video was just to introduce that how you can create a basic plugin and how you can call it, how you can use Java module system to run it, Java module system to develop it, and what you need to put in the module info file to make the development possible, because we need to mention that I need to access JTK compiler module, and in that JTK module we access the plugin interface, and we also need to provide that we are giving back an implementation of a plugin interface using our plugin class, basic plugin class. So this is how you do it. You have to mention the module path over here to run it, and you need to tell that basic module is this, and this is the Java file that we are running. So in future I will be making more videos on this basic. I will keep increasing the level of the code of where I am using plugin interface, and but this is the first one. more videos will come. So thank you for watching.